front of me is Cubot P80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluid Slide Fluid Theme. It has to be from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent. Click on this gear at the top left corner and adjust all of those options however you want to. You can also select presets on the left at the top, click on the best option for you, and select Yes in the pop-up. Then adjust all of its options over here. When you finished, click at the top right corner and then bottom right corner. Then click on Set as Live Wallpaper. Select Yes. Click on Set Wallpaper and tap on one of those options, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I will go with Home Screen only, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!